Hello folks, Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today I'm going to show you how you reset your oil light or maintenance light on your Infiniti FX35, and this is going to be for 2012 Infiniti FX35. You start your car up, press on this until you get to your settings screen, then go on the bottom button and then go down to maintenance. Then to get into the maintenance you need to go up again, then go down, then up again, go down, and once you go to settings, we want to change this to 3,000 miles. Then you go up again to select that, and then you reset, and then you just press it again, and it's done. Now if you want to do the oil filter, you do the same thing. Oil filter, go down, settings, and we're gonna so you go down to oil filter, and then you go down to your settings, and then you change this to 3,000. Then you go up again, and there you go. Now if you want to go back, you just go back. If you want to just look at the information that you just changed, it does say 3,000 right there with a 0 because it has not been driven yet. So that's all you had to do, folks. Thanks for watching. Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Have a great day.